Bitcoin is crushing it. Bitcoin is on fire. Oh boy. Today we are going to look at this bad boy. Let's see what this bad boy is going to give us. The go ahead. Is it the go ahead that we are back in the altcoin market or the altcoin season? Not to forget that Miro coin also is on fire. And our baby Dogecoin is doing so well as well. Look at this pump. Yeah. If we go to the 1 day time frame, you can see this huge vector candle. And where did we get the bounce from this zone that I have marked? This is a crucial zone. I think this bad boy want to go to the upside. And if we go to our famous crypto bubbles, you can see clearly that these coins for today are doing well. The ones in green. Tubo is on fire. Tubo is up 144. Oh, not 144, 44%. And Meal, that's dog in a cat house or cat in a dog house, is up 19%. These are the top gainers on the top 100 coins, and you can see memes is up as well. Guys, today's show is gonna be one of the best show that you have witnessed, because I'm gonna spill so many stuff to you that I want you to understand. I'm all about helping you understand how to make money trading cryptocurrencies. If say this sort of content interests you, then feel free, my friend, to subscribe. And if say you have been here with me, you know the drill. Come on, like, comment, and share. All right. I don't have much time to wait. I think I'm late a little bit. But let's just get started with the show.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better. Love the chase and the hunt.
Yeah, guys. So let's begin with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is doing so well on the daily time frame, and I love what I'm seeing here so far. And I think that we are going to see some sort of pullback here, quick pullback. But again, what I love is that Bitcoin has broken this structure. Yeah, let me show you guys the structure on the 4 hours time frame. Remember what I always say to you guys: if say we see price, do something like this. Let me see if I can bring in the Trendilo. Yeah. Okay, the Trendilo and the Alpha trend. Let's see if the Alpha trend is here. Let me bring in the Alpha trend so we can do. The Alpha trend is here, but I don't know why it's okay. That's printed now. So remember what I told you guys in my previous analysis that we must break this zone and make higher highs, and we want to see candle close above. This has been an important area for Bitcoin, and this area has been an area that I think maybe if say we break this zone, then we might see more upside for altcoins. Okay. Now, what I'm seeing here is this vector candle here, this blue vector candle. Whenever I see this blue vector, it's not a good vector to appear at the top of any pump. So maybe they might be attempting to bring down the price, But the good thing is, I want this candle, this 4 hours candle, to close above this zone here. If it close above this zone, then we are going to be more bullish on Bitcoin. Now, I want us to look at this now on the daily time frame, because there's something here which I think is important. If I zoom out this, you can see that based on our previous analysis, this POC is an important zone, based on this volume profile here. So this zone here where the POC is an important zone, okay? And also this zone is also closer to where the alpha trend printed a sell signal on the daily time frame. Now, what do we expect price to do on the daily time frame? Because I think looking at the 4 hours time frame and the daily time frame, we have to pay attention more on the daily time frame, because the daily time frame is the higher time frame. The 4 hours time frame is just like 4 hours candle, but this is gonna be 1 day candle. So we want to see this daily candle close above. At least want to see price go right up to about $70,000, at least close above, or let's say $72,000. Yeah, so we want to see this week move to the upside. If this is not the case, then maybe we can see some sort of quick pullback from here. But again, this candle should close above where the alpha trend created a sell signal here. It's very important, guys. If not, then all the gains our altcoins are showing us right now or giving us right now is gonna go back to zero, right? The market is going to eat the gains. So we have to make sure we are doing the right thing, always. So this zone, guys, is very, I'm going to stress again, I want you guys to always make money. I want us to always make money. Trust me, I want us to always make money, and not only make money, I want us to be able to keep our money, guys. This zone that Bitcoin is could be a zone where Bitcoin can make the next move. But guys, we are good. Why? Because price have break this structure here. Okay, no matter what price does, we should see price stay above this structure here, this zone here. Price should stay above this zone. Okay, want to see price stay above this zone, above this area here. If price stays above the area here and move along around, like move like here, or we see pullback around this zone here for um let's see, am I over on the right chart? Let me see. I think okay, yeah, I'm on the right chart. So we want to see price pullback. Yeah, this is right now. Price is around 67,600. So maybe we can see price go right up to about 70,000 or 68,000 today. Then at least to an extent, if it does, then we can see price go right up to let's say $70,000. So I think the $70,000 prediction still stands, and if we see Bitcoin goes towards that area, then we should expect more upside for our altcoins. Our altcoins have been bleeding. Only some few altcoins have been doing so well. Like meme coins have been doing so well. We haven't seen any real data from altcoins, but I think that um what is going on right now is based on the US election which is coming and so on. Yeah. All right. I have a question. Thanks for watching. Post your questions. Why is Reef losing liquidity? It's simple. I made my last Reef video. I told you guys that the pump wasn't sustainable. And again, whenever I do videos and I share with you guys, you don't watch. Now you are coming to ask this question: why is Reef, losing? If say you want to always be ahead of the curve, you need to watch my videos and build around my analysis and ask questions, because I share stuff here. At times, most of the coins I share, I talk about, I don't even buy them. Like now, I'm not holding Reef. I told you guys that I will not buy Reef. I want to buy Reef only when I see pullback. Now let's go to Reef quickly before we start with Baby Dogecoin. Let's just go to Reef quickly and see what's going on there, because I mentioned this last time, and most of you maybe you think that it's gonna keep bumping to the upside, and that's one of the reasons why I have to tell you guys to join my VIP group. Okay, now look at this pump here. This wasn't a sustainable pump. Look now I say look like as if I'm speaking in pidgin English. Look up. Those of you who speak pidgin English, shout out to you. Now look at this pump. This pump isn't sustainable. Look, like for the past how many days? One, two, it's so many days, almost 30 days, right? Let's see, the pump started around 31st August, and we are now at, let's see, on the 15th of October. So can you imagine, right? Look at this huge gain here. What do you expect, guys? People will take out profit, of course. When you see a huge pump like this, how many percent? Let's say from this, right up there, that's about, oh boy, 1,676%, more than 10x, more than 15x. Yeah, that's what has happened with Reef Coin. So, what do you expect? Of course, these guys are gonna dump on you. The market makers, those who make money, are gonna dump it on you if say you don't cash out profit. That's why you need to focus on my channel. Now, what do you expect to happen? It's simple. Bring in the Fibonacci tool. Okay, bring in the fifth tool here. From this zone here, from the bottom to the top, and you're gonna see where they can push price. So you see, the first rejection was at the golden pocket. So price is gonna play around. I think we're gonna see recovery of all of these vectors here. To an extent, this vector be recovered, but half of the vector has been recovered already. Looking at this stopping volume candle, right? So they might do something like this. They might do something like this. Attempt as if they want to bring price down again, then bring it above there, then hold. That's when you're buying, or you can, if price get back here, like if price move alongside, like sideways, 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 then they want to pump it again. But what I'm looking at right now, maybe they can bring price right down here, then do something like this, then pump. We can even bring price back right down here. They can even bring it there. It's okay. I mean, with cryptocurrency, expect anything to happen, particularly when it comes to coins like this with low liquidity. So it's not as if real coin is dumping. If you are an investor or you are a trader, you would have cashed out profit already. A real trader must have cashed out profit long time ago, long time ago. But a dumb as trader who is gonna be still be there thinking the price is gonna still pump, and investors who swing trade, they would have cashed out profit already. But dumb investors who think they know everything are gonna be burned. Okay, and that's why you must join my community. You have to. Why not? Okay, so yeah, so I'm going to be sharing with you every now and then what is going on in the market. Now let's get to the baby Dogecoin. Let's see what the baby is doing. Let's see. Oh, baby Dogecoin. Now, uh, I love these guys. You know, I love this. Why? Because whenever I do analysis, I want to always be happy that my analysis is coming to play. Now, remember what I told you guys, that if say we are not able to go and make higher highs from here, then we're gonna see price dump. But price has made higher highs. Okay, so the next zone that we are expecting for next higher highs is this correct movement. So this is a correct movement now for price. We are looking at this zone now, this angle now. So because of this vector candle, I think that this is a fake move. For me to confirm that this move for baby Dogecoin is a good move, then price must break this structure, this area here. Remember, guys, remember what I mentioned about the value area high and the value area low. But I'm gonna go there. But let me begin first of all for those of you who are traders. Okay, this is the area where you're gonna cash a short position. And how? If say you see price here, which is already there, price is already there, you can drop to the 15 minutes time frame to get for a perfect entry, because I think that we might be going down for maybe Dogecoin. Okay, but if say we break this zone here above, then come back and retest. That's when you are getting your confirmation that we might be we might be heading to the upside. Okay, but again, if price does this, it's not able to go and make higher highs. Okay, then it's still dangerous if you buy here. So I think the best zone where you can buy is when price is gonna at least break this zone here, like um do something like this, go up, then come down. That's when you can buy again. You would have cash out profit already. Yeah, I mentioned here that cash out profit. And if say you see price get into this range where we have this volume profile, you can see I drew this volume profile here. We have the value area high, the POC, and the value area low. Okay, I said that if say price finds its way into this zone here, then we are going to see price get to the POC at least. And if price get to the POC, then it means that price can either go right down to the value area low. Okay, but at the same time, price can still bounce from the POC, this red line in the middle. Okay, for baby Dogecoin. Now, if we stay on the daily time frame, we can even see that oh, my chat is really dirty because I have been doing this with you guys. Bear with me. I have to allow this to stay because it gives me more momentum on what I'm thinking in the future, what I've done and what I've marked. So let me just try and clean most of this stuff here, so we can have a clean chat, because each time we come here, it's like we do almost similar thing, same thing. Because I want you guys to always click it, to always have the knowledge. Now, looking at this, I mentioned that maybe they can bring price to us with this golden, this sorry, towards this vector here, to recover this vector candle here. They can still do that. Okay, we are not ruling this out, but also we can say that they have recovered half of this vector already. So my bet is maybe this pullback can come right down to this area. So they can do something like this. They can pull price down here after that move to the upside. Then from there, price can move sideways, sideways. Then go and make higher highs. So this is what I'm looking for. This is what I'm looking at for maybe Dogecoin too. But at the same time, guys, again, this is my opinion. This is not something that I think must happen. We are all speculating, based on previous price action. So I think that looking at this, we might as well already say that this move can take price. Now, this is a perfect structure, guys, on the 4 hours time frame. Okay, look at this zone here. We saw multiple rejection here in the past. Look at this area. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And we saw it even when price was above this zone. We saw it, yeah, and now we have seen it 2 times or 3 times, yeah. So if say this 4 hours candle is not able to go and break above this zone as I mentioned, then we're gonna see more downward price for baby Dogecoin. Trust me, we're gonna see that. And it doesn't matter if we see it or we don't see it. What matters is we are having baby Dogecoin long term and baby Dogecoin in our trading account. So if you have long term baby Dogecoin, good. If you have baby Dogecoin in your trading account that you swing trade baby Dogecoin, then fine. You are always gonna make baby Dogecoin, regardless of what happens in the market. The end point is if this bad boy is gonna go to, let's say, Dogecoin market cap or Shiba Inu market cap, or let's say 1 billion market cap, it's gonna be great, right? Huge profit. Okay, so that's that for baby Dogecoin. I think is really important. You guys pay attention to it. Now let me see. Homies are here. We can relate. Okay, Bitcoin is almost 68K. Seems memes are healthier than alts. Well, meme coins are altcoins. Meme coins are other categories of altcoins. All of them fall under the canopy of altcoins. Yeah, memes. This season this season is driven by meme coin, right? So this is a meme season. The hype is more for for memes and so on and so forth. So yeah, you are right, but memes are under the category of altcoins. Now let's move to see what Miro the dog is doing. Miro the dog. Yeah. Oh boy, this bad boy has pumped, and now we are looking for some sort of retracement, right? But I still stand by this target here. I think Miro is gonna go right up to this area here, this zone, before we could expect some major pullback. It has to. Okay, why not? It has to, because we have seen this bad boy plunging downward, long time, and it has been building this bottom here, this zone here. It has formed a good W, yeah. And I think that when we see something like this, then the next target is going to be the previous high. So that's why I say this should be the target here. For those of you who are investing in Migo, you can now also see that this zone has been an important area in the past. This zone here, let me mark it quickly for you so you can see. I love doing this, guys, because I want you to understand why I do certain things, why I'm in a trade, why I sell, why I buy, why I stay, keep being in the trade, and so on. So this is an important zone, and you can see where price is. Price is above that zone. Price is above that zone, and price attempted to price got to that zone, but price wasn't able to break below. You can see it rejected from that zone here. So this area is now acting as support. So the next zone we're going to be expecting price to go to is this resistance up here. That's why at that stage, I think that we can see Miro move even further to the upside and even break this area here. It can even break above before come down to retest this zone again. right? But again, whenever you see, let me take off some of this stuff. Now, whenever you see price do something like this, like price move straight like this, whenever you see price move straight like this, guys, you have to cash out profit because it's not sustainable. When you see a huge pump up like that, you have to cash out profit because price must balance that movement. At least recover half of that movement. At least usually it's half. If say that coin is so bullish, can recover half of that, So from there you are looking to get in the next trade. Okay, that's how the market moves. The market moves in waves, right? In waves. In waves. So if you understand how the market moves, you will always be ahead of the curve. You not play the game of the market makers. Whenever they push price to the upside, you're gonna sell. They bring it down, you buy. Up, you sell. Down, you buy, and you keep compounding, making huge gains. This is simple and easy to understand. If you're watching, guys, I can see 5 of you are watching. Right now, I can see 8 of you, almost 10 of you are watching. Yeah, 10 of you are watching. So I want to see you guys like. If so you're enjoying the TA, like so that the algorithm can reach out to more people to join us today live. Let's get to Bitcoin and see what Bitcoin is doing. This pump is not sustainable for Bitcoin. I think. Why? Why is this problem not sustainable? Because of this vector, yeah. The thing I can say right now based on this pump is I want to see this candle close above. I already mentioned this. This candle should close above this area, yeah. But let's fall down to the 15 minutes time frame to see what is going on here. Okay, you can see clearly what I was trying to say. Price might recover all of these vectors here, and yeah, it might recover all of this vector here. So let's see what will happen during this 15 minutes candle time frame. Now, for us to the good thing is, guys, we can see retracement back to $66,000 for Bitcoin. Okay, because Bitcoin has pumped right up to $68,000, which is awesome. Now let's look at the heat map to see where we have most of the liquidity at this point in time. Because it's very important we understand or we see where liquidity is in the market. So this is um mm, hmm, it says suspicious site ahead. I trust this site. Yeah, I trust this site. I trust it. It's my VPN. I use VPN, so it's trying to tell me that maybe this might be a malicious website. You know, so let's just wait until it loads. I think my VPN doesn't want this site to load, so let me refresh this again. See what but it's good. It's good or it's important to see these zones, the liquidity heat map to see what we got there. It's not loading, guys. I don't know. Okay, now yeah, here we go. Okay, so looking at this, okay, wow, this is awesome, guys. Um, let me take this to the weekly time frame, or the daily. Let's begin with the daily time frame to see what we might expect for the day. Now we have already seen Bitcoin go right up to $68,000. Right, where is the next liquidity? You can see it down here. So can they bring price right down to $64,000 or 63,400 around this zone here? Can they bring price here? Well, they can, and they might not also bring price there. But when we look at the 1 week time frame, let's see what they might do the next 1 week. It's very important, guys. We look at this because if Bitcoin is to break structure, then we want to see more upside. Now, the more upside is right up to around 69,000. If Bitcoin break above 69,000, oh boy, then it can fly to $74,000 or $70,000. Okay, look at the structure here. That's broken structure on this heat map. Okay, but again, this candle isn't sustainable. We might see price eat half of this candle, like doing pullback, doing retracement before we can say we can confirm more on what might happen. And again, if you say you follow my analysis, you know that this is an important aspect of my analysis. I use this heat map to understand what might happen with Bitcoin, and if I know what might happen with Bitcoin, it might help me to um to have my altcoins ready to kick off. Get in at a good price for my altcoins. What's your take on Azero? I don't know what Azero is. I have not come across that coin, but let's just look at it quickly. Azero, Azero USDT is on Bitget, Mexi Global. So let's look at the chart on Mexi Global. Let me look at this based on previous data. Oh, this bad boy has been dumping. Let's go to the weekly time frame. Yeah, this bad boy has been down, dumping. So again, the way I trade, guys, if you see a chart like this, it's not healthy. Let me look at this on, looking at this. Let me look at this on this chart. Let's see if we got some cool stuff here. A zero, Mexi Global. Let's see. Okay. Well, I can see this vector candle here, and this vector candle could mean the beginning of this uptrend, right? Remember, we have seen it multiple times. One first time it attempt and price wasn't able to retrace and break and make lower lows. We saw it the second time again, yeah. Price wasn't able to break above the previous high, and price wasn't able to go and make lower lows again. So price have formed a bottom here that price is rejecting. So I think if if say price is going to respect my TA, or yeah, if this coin is going to respect my TA, then this is the bottom already. It has already established the bottom. So this is the move that is going to take the price back to the upside. So my target is going to be, if I'm trading this coin, my target is going to be this moving average here, this one. So this is going to be my target, right? If I see price hit it, then I sell. Then I see retracement back to the 20-day EMA, or maybe the 50-day EMA, right? So that's what I'm looking at. If say I'm gonna trade this coin, I can buy it now for swing trading or swing trade. I'm gonna swing trade it. Most of the times, I don't do futures on such coin because it's so volatile. So I prefer to do spot trade. I trade this spot, then the target is gonna be here, and this is gonna make sense because if say price gets above that zone, then it's gonna break structure. Then I'm gonna wait for pullback, buy again. So sell here, buy again, pull back, then sell again, yeah, buy again, pull back, so I'm gonna do something like that. Okay. So I don't know if say this makes sense to you, but I think that's what I'm gonna do if say I'm investing in this coin. Guys, do you have any question? If you don't have any question, then we can call this a go for today. I think I've already done my analysis for today. But let me see. I think I haven't looked at one chart. Let's see the total tree. This is all cryptocurrency excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. Oh boy, excuse. This is it on the daily time frame, and I love what I'm seeing now. Remember my previous video, what I mentioned? We want to see price break this and close. I mean, this day, today, or any day, we want to see price break and close above this zone here. If that's the case, then we are going to be bullish, or I will say that the altcoin season has started. But in this case, we are still struggling here in this zone, at this zone here. So if price break this zone, then I will say the altcoin season has started. You know, and we're going to be making more profit from those altcoins. And you can see how Bitcoin is crushing altcoins. The dominance has gone right up to 58. Look at this pump here for dominance, right up to 58. But again, I think that dominance won't go anywhere, you know. But let me not say that, because I think if I look at the weekly time frame, yeah, I mean, guys, let me show you guys something. This has reminded me on what I did last time. I did an analysis last time, And it took me to this area. Let me look at this on this chart. So this might give me what I'm looking for. So let's go to yeah. So this is it, guys. Now it's very important. It's very important we look at this. Okay. So remember we have been in this downtrend, right? And we saw price break above this trend, and retracement was okay. It bounced from this zone here, this area here, and now we are seeing continuation to the upside. So this can take altcoin back to this zone. And this area is where the alpha trend printed a sell signal. So if I bring in the alpha trend, let me see, do I have the alpha trend here? Yeah, I do have the alpha trend here. So this could be the target where the alpha trend printed a buy a sell signal. Yeah. But now we also have the alpha trend printed a sell signal here. So for us to confirm that the altcoin season is actually back, we want to see the alpha trend print another buy signal. Yeah, so maybe this sell signal is going to be fake out signal, and the next move, or this candle, weekly candle should close above this area, yeah, and come back and retest it. Guys, if you learn how to analyze the market, look at bigger picture, you are always going to be enjoying your profit every now and then. Make it and keep it. It's very important. You don't focus only on a particular coin. You have to look at other coins that move the market, or other um, catalysts that move the market to help you to analyze the market properly, so that you can make profit. It's good to make profit, guys. If you say you can make profit and keep profit, then good for you, right? But if you say you make profit and you cannot keep it, then it's not good for you. Okay, I always want you guys to make profit. Let me know where you are watching from, and let me know the coins you are holding at this point in time, guys. I must go because it seems as if you have not gotten questions for me. You are just watching me without any questions. This is your time to ask questions. It's your time to tell me your coins you're holding. Let me analyze it for you. Because if say you're gonna come to my VIP group, it's payable. It's not for free. Okay? Now is the time to bring your coins. Let me show you guys where you can cash out profit, where you can buy. I mean, if you don't watch my videos, if you don't ask questions, then you're gonna pay my VIP, to make money. Of course. And if say you wanna get my buy and sell outlet, let me tell you guys something. Most of you who are beginners in this space, you know, one of the mistakes you make is that you think that you know more than those who have been here for a long time. I've paid the price. I've only paid the price. I've lost so much money in this game when like in my course of investing or trading cryptocurrency. And most of the mistake I made are most of the mistakes you guys are doing right now. It's normal, like, guys, trust me. It's normal when you're a beginner. Like, I was thinking at times I could go in the market and create magic, but I couldn't create magic because I had no experience. Until when I started, being part of communities, learning every day, you know, bef- before I started seeing result. So if you are part of my community, my VIP community, then you're gonna be getting my buy and sell alert. Like what I'm analyzing, what I'm buying and holding, or when I'm selling, taking out profit. Come on. If you have opportunity to get those coins, then trust me, if I'm you, I'm gonna go for it. Regardless whether I know more than you know more than me or not. If you know more than me, then you wouldn't be watching me. Okay? But if say I know more than you, like I have more experience than you, then you watching me, I will say that you have to take certain risk to make money. Okay? Besides, if you join my VIP group and you make money, then it's easy. You can pay the next month, the next month, the next month. So you're gonna be you use your money to make money. And at times I even give it for free. Okay? So if I see you being active in my community, I can just give you for free. This is not something that is so big or huge for me. All I want to see is people succeed. But I want people to be able to pay a price for that, at least something small. Because most of the time I've realized if you pay for something, then you're gonna get the value. Before I was doing it for free, right? Go those of you who have been with me for a long, long time, I've done this for free. But now I came to realize that people are not taking it serious because it's for free. But when you pay your money, you're not taking it serious. So that's what I got for you guys. What's your take on DC? You've asked DC. Let me just go to quickly to DC before we go. Oh, you wanna keep us here? So let's go to DC and do a quick analysis. Let's see. I don't know this coin, DC. Let me see. DC. Okay, DC USDT. Hmm. Okay. Again, based on the way I do analysis, I will say that we are now at the bottom of this coin. Okay, this coin has established its bottom here. Yeah. Why? The alpha trend has printed a buy signal. Look at this. And after this buy signal, we saw pullback, and now we are seeing this vector here. So I would say that the first target is this. Let me bring in the flip tool so it can give us our target. Let me bring in the Fibonacci tool from the top to the bottom. So let's see the zones where we can expect pullback. So this is going to be your first take profit zone at this line here. Then maybe pullback, you're gonna buy more during pullback. Then you sell here, you buy, sell at the golden pocket. But this is your zone to take out profit. This area here, you know, if this is gonna be the reversal candle or the reversal move, then this is gonna be the first target to cash out your first profit. Expect pullback from here. Then from there, you can cash it here again and here or here. So this is what I'm looking at. It's simple. I just took a few seconds to look at what price might do, and this is what I teach also. This is my link tree. Go to the description of this video. You're gonna find my link tree. The first link is when if say you wanna trade with me, then use this first link to join my Bittronix trading community. You only trade with me for free if say you are using Bittronix. Because if you trade with me, you use my link, is more of you supporting what I do. So that's why I'm gonna give that for free, only to those who are gonna use my Bittronix link to trade with me. Now, my VIP community is more of my buy and sell, take profit signals. Then, if say you are an absolute beginner, then you can take this my one-on-one session. And if say you want someone to help you buy the right coins, always have the right coins in your portfolio, then this link is for you. Whatever the case is, guys, I wish you all the best. And at this moment, I'll call this a go because we are live now for 37 minutes. I don't want this to be so long. Maybe other people might want to come and watch, and let them have less time to watch. Let's not take all the time that we got, and stay. Yeah. So, guys, tomorrow same time, let's do this every day. Come here, invite your friends. Let's do this. Let's come here and make gains. Regardless what is going on in the market, up, down, we're gonna make money. Until then, guys, see you in the next video. Ciao. Bye bye.